Okay guys, I just want to make sure we understand how to upload our work for our handout. So I'm just going to pretend I'm a student and I'm going through pathway 1-3, multiplying, dividing polynomials. As you read the instructions, then It's Learning will pop the next resource up, which is a video. Of course, you will watch the video, take notes, so you can answer those questions embedded. Make sure you take thorough notes. And then after you watch, a couple videos, in this case we just had one, then you're going to have your handout. You can download this and print it, or if you don't have a printer, which is totally fine, you can do your work on notebook paper. So then when you get to the handout submission, you're going to take a picture with a device. You can either send it to your email and save it on your computer, or you can just save it in your Google Drive, and just make sure you know where you're saving it, whether it's on your computer or in your Google Drive. Then you are going to click the answer assignment. It may take a little while for this to open up, but be patient. If it times out, try it one more time and then just come back later and just continue with your pathway. Just don't forget to come and submit this. So I am going to go, this is our template for our handout work. We're going to go to I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to find my product. I am going to use some kind of snipping tool, and I'm going to snip this. I'm going to actually make this a little smaller, and then I'm going to snip my answers. And then I'm going to go back to the template and I'm going to paste it here. Now what you're not going to do is you're not going to share it with me through Google, okay? Once you have pasted there, you go back to It's Learning, and now you can see that I have already embedded my work, and I click Submit. And then that way it's going to show up in my It's Learning as the teacher, so I can grade it there. So that's how you submit your work. A lot of folks are wanting to share to my Google Drive. I don't look in my Google Drive for your assignments. Everything is graded within It's Learning. Then, of course, after you do your handout submission, which is a formative grade, then the homework quiz should pop open and you will take your homework quiz. Now, remember, you have 2 attempts for every homework quiz, and I take the better of the 2 grades. And then that's a second formative for this pathway. So every pathway has two assessment pieces. And I hope this video helps you out. And one last note, if you do something that's past the deadline, you will need to make sure you complete this form and fill out your last name, your first name, tell me the assignment, such as homework quiz 1-3 or handout 1-2. If it's something where I have to grade, like the handout, just put not graded yet. Or if you made an 84 on that homework quiz, put 84. So hopefully this will help us be more successful.